Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your airplane mode if it is grayed out in Windows. And now let's get started. If your airplane mode is grayed out, there are several steps you can try to resolve this issue. The first step is to run the network troubleshooter. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System, then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Next, click on Other Troubleshooters. Find the Network and Internet Troubleshooter and click on Run. The troubleshooter will guide you through the process, which often includes restarting your network adapter. You may lose internet connection temporarily during this process. Once it is complete, close the windows and restart your computer. If the issue persists, the next step is to check the radio management services. Right-click on the Start button and select Run. In the Run dialog box, type services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, locate Radio Management Services. Ensure that its startup type is set to automatic and that the service is running. If it is not, right-click on Radio Management Services, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, and then click OK. After making these changes, restart your computer. If you are still experiencing problems, you should update your network driver. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click on your network adapter, this could be Realtek, Qualcomm, or another brand, and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. If Windows indicates that the best drivers are already installed, click on the option to search for updated drivers on Windows Update. This will check for and install any available driver updates through Windows Update. After the updates are installed, restart your computer. Another effective step is to re-enable your wireless network connection. Right-click on the Start button and select Run. In the Run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and click OK. This will open Network Connections. Right-click on your active network connection and select Disable. After it is disabled, right-click on it again and select Enable. Once your network connection is re-enabled, check if you can now enable or disable airplane mode. As a final step, you can adjust a setting in the registry editor. Be extremely cautious when modifying registry entries. Incorrect changes can cause system instability. Right-click on the Start button and select Run. Type Regedit and click OK. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Navigate to HKEY Local Machine, then expand System. Under System, expand CurrentControlSet, then expand Control. Within Control, find and expand the Class folder. You are looking for a registry key that starts with 4D36E972 and ends with 0318. This key is usually found in chronological order. Once you have highlighted this key, look for a subkey named 0001. Select this subkey. On the right-hand side of the window, you will find a value named Radio Enabled. If this value is set to 0, double-click on it and change the value data to 1. Click OK to save the change. After modifying the registry, restart your computer. This should allow you to enable or disable airplane mode. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.